Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create a business account on Pinterest. Open your Google Chrome and create business account, type your email, do next and keep continue with Google. Go you are create new account. It will be loading and continue with browser, add your date of birth. I'll select the 1998 and January 10th of date of birth. So keep set and next, add birthday. Continue in browser and type your business name. I type my business name is okay. You will allow okay. Type business name. My business name is Jordan Clothing. I type Jordan Clothing and click to continue for the next step. Okay, tell us about your business. So keep right now. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do select number one. I'm not sure. So do next. And what's your website? Now I will skip. Interested in running ads? Yes, of course I'm running ads. Interested. Do next. So your business Pinterest account is created now. Okay. This is how to create a business account on Pinterest. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.